YouTube. In this video, what we're going to be recording is this new phone case that I found. I've never heard of Peak Design until recently, and I said, you know what, I'm going to give this case thing a try. Peak Design cases. I'm not sponsored or anything like that, but I really like the way these work. I currently have the quad lock case with the wallet thing, but as you can tell, I've had it for about a year now, and it's starting to like fray and tear apart, which I don't like. This slim wallet actually holds it in place and they don't come out, which I think is really cool. I did also get a bike mount. Yeah, man, it's pretty cool. This, I think, with the whole thing, compared to the quad lock, I would actually save about 50 bucks with this system. And if I was to buy the same exact system with quad lock, it'd be $50 more, which I did not want to go with. So I ended up going with this system, and I think I really like the setup. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of what comes in the box when you open it, and then I'll just install it on my phone and kind of go from there. First, we're gonna start with this case. If you know me, I'm like the one-hand guy. I don't really use two hands. I don't want a tripod. I don't care for a tripod. But the way this comes out, it comes out from the bottom. Just slides out like that. And then this is the actual case. Now, first impressions, this case feels nice. This feels premium. Buttons feel, wow, this is nice. This material feels really good on the hands too. Wow. On the back, it's stuck. Wait a minute. Oh, that's aluminum. This is metal and it's stuck to this. Hell yeah, the magnet's strong. Okay, let me pop this out real quick. Let me toss that to the side. So if the phone, so this basically rests on the back like that, and it actually finds its place, like it don't move around. And the lid has like a magnet, so when you have your wallets and stuff inside of it, it magnetizes shut. To take your cards out, you pull a little tab, and then you have access to your cards. I think that's dope. Locks itself in place. The reason why I got it to be brown, because I want it to actually look different. So I know, okay, this is my wallet case or my wallet attached to my phone, versus if it was black, I'll hardly ever be able to tell, especially in a dark room or dark areas. So yeah, so this is what this looks like. So now let me crack open the last big boy. And this is the bike mount. Then you got the actual mount itself. And the quick release is here on the back or here. And this is a one-hand quick release. You don't need both hands. So if you really look at the tabs on the inside, you press it on one side, they both go in, it releases the phone, and then you're good to go. Let me see if I can kind of demonstrate it with the phone here. So if I was to have this like this, so so these inside, if you look, there's ridges or a hole where these little tabs go into. You rest the phone, and if you look, they're locked in place. So right now, I can't take this case off even if I wanted to. Like if I really try to bend it, it won't come off, right? But if I use one hand, I press here, and then I push, it disconnects. So this, to me, is a lot better than kind of finicking with the quad lock, trying to put it on my bike. Whereas this, I can just drop it onto the bike and it'll connect. You know what I mean? So that's the main reason why I decided to go with the Peak Design, because I've never seen a design like this. Not, now that I know about this company, I think it's hella cool to use. YouTube, I just wanted to close out this video saying that so far I've been using this for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. And this magnet, man, is really strong. I didn't realize how strong it was. And I actually have my pretty securely, especially with this top flap. That makes sure nothing falls out, even when the phone falls like this. Like if the phone was to fall like this, nothing will come out. Whereas this guy, yeah, it's convenient. You know what cards you have, but it's tighter, so not much can fit in there. All right, YouTube, so now that I've officially got the right case for my phone, this is it right here. I ended up going with the stem mount. Now you can have the stem mount on the now you can go with the stem mount on the S1000 single R. It does fit, does work, but the placement of the phone is really tight. So as you can see, I wanted enough room where the phone would not make contact with the bars or anything. And with the stem mount, you can only have the release on the sides. If you put your phone like this, yeah, it fits. Well, the type of phone that I have, but it's it won't stick. It's not gonna stay. It won't stay. Now, if you put it sideways, now it's locked. It ain't going nowhere. Again, the only thing is though, the release is at the very bottom there. You have to press and pull to take the phone off. I think that's the only disadvantage. You should be able to turn it the other way, so that way I could just put my finger on the top, release it, and pull my phone off. But since it's like this, I have to reach underneath the side to take it off. But with it in this profile, I can turn the handlebar all the way, both ways, and it will not touch the bike. Like, there's no contact at all on my cell phone. And it's in the same orientation as the screen. So if my phone was in this place, it'll be in the same orientation. So I have the wide 6.5 and I have my cell phone 6.5 in screen. So yeah. So that's a quick video on the Peak Design phone case itself. The stem mount. The bar mount I don't think will really work for this bike, only because I have an idea. I want to put some mirrors here on the bike and get rid of these so that the front of the bike looks more flat versus these mirrors here. Yeah, they're nice. You know, they come with the bike stock, but I don't like them. What happened here? All right, so that's this video, guys. I'll end this video out here, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, and a wonderful day. Cheers.